All right, so I just got to the shop, pushed the truck forward. Time to break out some tools and get to work on installing the cab corner on this driver's side. So let's get after it. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys kind of what I do. I scribed out, you know, the angles I want to cut all the way down, and what I'll do is I'll cut this panel first, and then I actually lay it on and I'll scribe it on the truck once I've cut this, so that I know this is going to fit exactly the way I want it to. I'm leaving a little extra up here just in case something were to happen and I need to order a new one of these. I still have some room to work with. You know, always just playing it safe, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys kind of the thought process behind this. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Now I've got the rough shape that I want to use. I'm going to go ahead and trim this stuff off with a pair of shears. So to give you guys an idea of what I like to do, once I've scribed a line, I kind of go over it lightly back and forth, so I've kind of got a guide for my cut, you know, to make sure that everything's right instead of just plowing into it. So I'm going to get back to cutting. Alright, so I got everything cut in. I'm checking fitment on the panel. I'm pretty happy with that. I think, you know, once I kind of get it in place, that's going to be just right. I'm extremely happy with the fitment on this panel. You know, the biggest thing to putting in any body panel or anything like that is just take your time, be patient, you know, little by little, kind of fit it into place. And if you do all that, it's going to be less work in the end. At least that's the way it's supposed to work. But, you know, I'm really happy with how this one turned out. I'm going to go ahead and start tacking it in place and, you know, working on putting it all together and getting on to the next side. Perfect. Okay, this cab corner is now in. I still need to spot weld the edges here, and then I'm going to have to cut this whole edge off. It's about 1/8 of an inch too wide for the actual panel, so I'll cut that off and then re-weld it so it all fits the way it's supposed to. But you know, overall, I couldn't be happier about the way that this all came together. So, you know, I mean, like I said before, it just takes time and patience and, you know, being willing to screw up to do any of this kind of stuff. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to check out the video today. I think I'm going to go ahead and clean up, head home, edit a video, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time.
Hey, yo.